Okay, so here is my recap of my hand design, my mechanical hand project that I started in the beginning of the quarantine. So here's my first palm design, which consists of these rings where you would put the pins after you put the fingers on top of them. These little channel things, here we go, these over here, to move the string through so you'd be able to bend the fingers. And then these things on top, these that had holes in them, to basically provide the elasticity for the finger to go, jump back up after you release the string. Here's the finger design. My first finger design was kind of flawed in two ways. It has the same pins and stuff, and has the rubber band holder over here. But the problem was, first of all, it wasn't really flexible. It would not be able to bend as much as a human finger. Because, you can bend your finger kind of like this, right? Mine had the extension to, bend like that, which was not good. So, another thing was that I was not able to successfully apply the rubber band because there was nothing to stop the thing from, fully bending back. And that was basically when I decided to create my second model. So here's my second palm. I made some adjustments to it just to get more less. I have to use less plastic for printing, but I mean I didn't really use it. I printed it without these holes in it. Anyway, same concept, rubber bands and stuff like that. This time it did work for me. The only problem was with this palm, these holders. I changed them up, and they're now way too thin to actually be able to support each finger, and they would actually break really, really easily. Like when I was cleaning off the excess plastic after the print, it actually broke one of them, made a crack, which got me really upset. Here's the second finger. The fingers have improved drastically. As you see, I added the plates on them, and the plates would prevent them from bending backwards, and I've also added the rubber band guides all throughout the finger, all throughout three the finger joints, just so they would be extra stable and would not have the chance to slip out. So, after that, I've decided to make my final design of my palm. Not completely finished yet, but it's starting to, shape up together. This thing, this is the thumb piece. I decided to make it sideways because I realized that I was a dumbass when I was previously designing it. Because instead of my thumb going sideways like I wanted to, it would go downwards, which would not work. So what I did instead, I put it like that, right? I need to add the holes inside. Just gotta give you a side view. There you go. I made these bad boys really, really thick, so that I'll be able to, pardon me. I was able to make these very thick so that it would be more stable and it wouldn't break as easily. So yeah, and then here's the base for my finger. I made it a little shorter than the other designs. Give me a sec. Here we go. A little shorter as in that, right? And I'm going to start adding more features to it, the holes and all that stuff. As you see, you got the basic pinholes and such. So yeah, I'll give you guys all an update next time when I'm finished designing the main features, and I'll show you the final product when I print it all out. Thanks for watching.